In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix problems with Avast antivirus software blocking the Chromecast option on your Google Chrome web browser. So if I open up the Chrome web browser and I try and cast to my Chromecast device by clicking on this icon, you can see that it doesn't pick up any devices. So if you have installed Avast antivirus software recently, this is probably causing the problem. So what you need to do is open up the program. Normally this is found on the bottom taskbar, it might be under the little arrow. So open up the program. Once it opens up, click on the Explore option on the left hand side menu. Then select the firewall. This doesn't matter whether you have the free version or the paid version, as a firewall is included with both. So click on Firewall, then click Open Firewall, and right at the top you should see your internet connection or your Wi-Fi connection. If this is selected to Untrust Network, what you need to do is click on the little arrow and then select Trust this network. Then you can close that, and if I go back to the Chrome web browser and select the cast option, you can now see it picks up on my Chromecast device as well as my TV. So that's how you can fix that problem. Thanks for watching.